I'm Caleb with the Watts Group. We've been building homes since 1978, and right now we're standing in 1001 High Ridge Trail in Solon, Iowa. It's Trail Ridge Estates, our new development. So one thing unique about Watts Group is to help you walk you through the home building process, and it's really simplified. Help you make selections, will help you determine what floor plan best fits your needs, what floor plan best fits your budgets. So here at 923 Oakland Trail, this is our Villa A floor plan. It's a full walkout with a screened-in deck. We also have a 50-inch electric fireplace that has floor-to-ceiling stone, ceramic tile in the master bathroom, motion sensor switch for the pantry door, so when you open it you don't have to turn on a light switch, it'll automatically come on. There are also door contacts that'll alert you if the door is open. Quartz countertops. We also have a quartz bench top on the mudroom and a custom-built range hood along with some custom mesh cabinet inserts. A slide-in gas range with a cooktop. In the master bedroom here, we have an accent wall that we did some nice paneling on with a couple side sconces for your bed. It's a little bit different shade of gray than the rest of the home. We have a very simple custom home buying process and a really great scheduling process as far as once your home begins. So you'll go through the process of you can pick from one of our plans and we can modify those, or we can just start from scratch right with an architect and build a home custom to your needs. Check us out on wattsgroupiowa.com. You'll be able to see all of our floor plans, and we'll see you soon at the Parade of Homes here at 1001 High Ridge Trail or any of our other parades this year.